Hi, so what I want to show you just now is our original screen service. This is where we have our frame with our adhesive on it, and our second item, which we put our screen in, put together, and there's lots of videos online that you can have a look at that. But this is, I suppose, a bit more substantial than the lighter weight one that we've now introduced. Just works as well. In fact, might even work a little bit better in some instances, not in every instance, but in some instances. So this is one of our longer ones as well. So you can get these again online. But what we're going to do is show you this. I've set this one up already, and we've used some parcel tape around our edge, and this is so that I can print quite a few t-shirts with this item. It doesn't have to be t-shirts, bags, whatever, it doesn't really matter. And we use parcel tape, and you'll find all of these online. So this one here is quite a bold image. Watch my wheel trolley doesn't move. And we just pull it across. Generally with a GOCCOPRO it's one pull, we lift up, and then we have this nice image on this t-shirt. Now what we're going to do with this image, if you watch one of the following videos, we're going to take a photograph of this t-shirt, and then we're going to use the software with a new mini digital printer and show you how you can lift this image quite nicely and then create a new screen again and start working from it. So there's lots of stuff going on with these videos. Hopefully you're enjoying and learning something from them. Thanks very much.